I don't know how long I'll be on for because I'm speed walking and I'm approaching the hill. Not gonna lie, I'm wearing Nike Pros and I remember why I never wear them. And it's because, one, you can't wear anything under them because it'll show. And it's annoying because they're already tight. And two, not wearing anything with them doesn't help when you run. So it's like, kind of just in a pickle. I want some fried pickles. That sounds really good right now. They're jamming. Will I stream again later at home? Yeah. I hope we can get this done because I wanted to go to Food with Blue, but she fell back asleep and then texted me. I was like, okay, I'll text her and ask if she wants to go one more time. And she just texted me back when I got here. I was like, I just woke up. And then so I was like, okay, we'll go later. But they close at 3, so I can be done. My dad walks a little slower because I run it, but I have to catch up. No, I'm wearing like the shorts. The shorts. I didn't know how to show that and not be promiscuous. But I just had to pull wedgie. A butt wedgie. But yeah, I will stream later. That's the plan at least. I was debating whether or not to come here and like stream after the game, but I was like, fuck it. Like, dude, this fly has been chilling on my arm. On the arm I'm holding my phone up with for like this whole time. Oh no, he left. I actually liked him because I couldn't feel him on me. But he was just riding me. That sounds weird. Part of the trail is closed. Honestly, I kind of hope the first bridge is a little flooded. Oh, I like ate part of a protein bar, a whey protein bar, and I can like taste. It's like a Kirkland version of a Quest bar. I can taste like the artificial sweetener, like the stevia, and like the whey, and it just like left a bad taste in my mouth because I'm not used to eating dairy that much. So it's just like when I eat it, I taste it way more. What will you see if I change the face cam? Be squinting because it's bright. I need to change my arms. I don't remember the last time I ran into a cactus. My headphones broke. And I'm using ones I ran over with my car on accident now. Is it really that bright out there? Bright? Yeah. I mean, it's gray, but it's bright. It's like yeah, it's bright. Should get like a mount on a half IRL streams? Yeah. I just said the water levels are receding. No, come back. Because now I'm just like, I want to meet Blue for food. So weird seeing cactus in the wild. Oh man, you need to explore the world. CR into Charlie Brown? What do you mean? It's so hot in Sweden, 90 degrees, really? It's crazy, actually. It doesn't usually get that hot there, does it? Hi. And it's 9 p.m. there? So many cacti. C-A-C-T-I. No, I wasn't talking to you guys. Someone walked by, so I said, hello. That's the road we came down the other time. If you remember, can you teach us a new cacti? I mean, they're all pretty much the same. That's a prickly pear down there. This is a type of mesquite tree. Baby mesquite trees. Show the overflow parking lot. That in like October. I don't know when it's closed, especially in April. They close it in April, especially. That's where the desert tortoises have babies. Can you drink water from a cactus? If you get a hollow stick and drill it into the base of the plant, you can. Maybe with saguaros, it'll be different. You could just go to the whole thing and get water from it. But it's hard because it's like layered. I feel like these are prickly pears. You can eat the fruits. They make jams and jellies. I said that last time. The stick ones are saguaros. That's a barrel cactus on the ground. I forgot what these are called. Maybe they're a little, I don't know, I'm gonna call them nubbies. I like them though. That is a cholla. Jumping cholla. They don't really jump. But when you get close, they like stick to you super easily, so that's why I call them jumping. Prickly pear. Jumping cholla. There's multiple types. Maybe we'll see a snake. I saw a tarantula. I wanted to pick it up. My dad said no. Why did I pick it up? It was cute. If I see a snake, I should pick it up. I have picked one up out here. It was a king snake. There's a baby. But, not a rattlesnake. We saw a rattlesnake last time. I showed you guys. There's a cholla. I've fallen in teddy bear cholla, the really fuzzy ones. That freaking hurts. Dogs get stuck in them. That was a rattlesnake, a baby rattlesnake. Here are the keys. Dad. And it auto-locked. It was auto-locked. They look so wilty. There's green mesquite. Dad, aren't those the ones that get the yellow flowers?
Yeah, they're called brittle bush.
The mesquites? I'm talking about the green mesquites that get the yellow flowers. But aren't they a type of mesquite? No. They look the same.
That's a mesquite.
Why I call them green mesquites? Fuck it.
That's a mesquite. That's a
Green mesquites. They're related. I know they are. You can't tell me they're not. Look at their leaves. Even if they aren't, I'm going to say they are. Because it makes me feel less dumb. What the fuck is this? Is this someone's eaten mango? Dude, that's someone's eaten mango, I swear. And there's a wasp right there. There's a wasp. Big yellow wasp. That's where I lose service. I lose service here. So just look at the mountains until you die. in stream, not in real life. Yeah, so do I. It's like, why are you leaving mango? It's like, does it look like a fucking mango tree would be here? There's a teddy bear toy up there. You can't really see it though. They look really cool when it's gray out. Their needles get really, like their meaty cactus parts get all dark. And then, or so it seems. Like, there it is. See it? You see it? And then their needles get really pale. If I lose service, bye. 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 I'll go until I die. Bye-bye. Bye. Wow, maybe they added more cell phone towers. I can hear the water. There's another trail that leads to the dam. Can you hear the water? You should go on a hike. Can't hear the water. Oh, shit. It's right down there. If you look. I don't know why you can't hear it. See it? Yeah. A stabilizer would be helpful. You should go, but be careful of flooding. Because it'll come down in bursts. I don't know if you could even do Seven Falls right now. But if you go tomorrow and it doesn't rain, if it didn't rain there, if it rained the rest of the day, that water is pretty heavy down there. There was a train.